You might be like, ugh, I need new clients. My Americans don't have any money. They're all broke.
You saying like musicians are like broke? Like why?
Why? Just the way that the economy is here, the way that things work. You know, America, it's funny because I think around the world people think, oh, Americans, they're so rich or whatever. But really, like, the statistic I saw, 7 out of 10 Americans, they live paycheck to paycheck. You know, so if they miss a paycheck every 2 weeks, they're not paying their bills. They're getting kicked out of their house pretty soon, or they can't buy food or whatever. Like, most people, they're struggling just like anywhere, because it's very expensive here also, you know. And so musicians, like, I teach, and I have a music degree, and if I would work this hard at something else, like being a doctor or a lawyer or something, I would make way more money. But I like what I do. I'm not complaining. But I still serve a lot of people, like directly serve. Like I teach children how to play or whatever. You know, and I've been doing it since I was 16. So like almost 39 years now I've been teaching. I have a music degree, all that kind of stuff. So I'm able to do okay. But like if you're just performing in clubs or whatever, very difficult. The money is not good. And making a living, you have to get to an extremely high level that's almost like fantasy. You know, like it's like one in, I don't know. Does that kind of make sense? It's just, you're doing something that doesn't pay much money. It's very tough. But there are musicians who are getting creative with the internet and they're finding ways to make money. But it's all changed, sort of, and the traditional thing of just going out and performing. Also, like, COVID changed things. I think it's going down. The old traditional thing is very difficult. And so that's kind of why I decided, also because I'm old, I don't really want to go driving everywhere. I was like, it's better for me to teach, and then my creative artist stuff can be like little YouTube videos and stuff, and that can be marketing for my teaching. That's my strategy.